We all have had hiccups. They usually don't stay for a long time, but other than that could indicate a serious underlying disease. Hiccups are bursts of breathing inactivity. It starts in the diaphragm. This is a dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of your chest. Normally when you inhale, the diaphragm pulls down, letting the air into your lungs, and then relaxes when you exhale, letting the air flow back out of your lungs and then exit through your nose and mouth. But sometimes the diaphragm becomes irritated, forcing you to suck air into your throat, hitting your voice box, making your vocal cords suddenly close, creating the distinct hic sound. Hiccups can happen for a lot of reasons: eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited, drinking carbonated beverages, stress, a sudden change in temperature, swallowing air while sucking on candy or chewing gum. Hiccups that last a long time may signify problems in the brain such as stroke, tumors or infections, spinal cord, or any of the structures around the diaphragm or chest wall. You can treat hiccups by following these home remedies. Gargle with ice water for 1 minute. The cold water will help soothe any irritation in your diaphragm. Suck on a small piece of ice. Breathe slowly into a paper bag. This increases the carbon dioxide in your lungs, which causes your diaphragm to relax. Hold your breath. This also helps to increase carbon dioxide levels. These remedies might not work, but they can be effective for some people. If you have hiccups that have gone on for a couple of days or longer, you should see a doctor to find out if there is an underlying cause that needs treating. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.